Hey designers, in this tutorial, we're going to create a color streak transition effect in Premiere Pro. To start, head to any site where you can download videos. It could be YouTube, Pexels, or any similar platform, and search for keywords like color streak, light leak overlay, or something along those lines. You'll find several options for light leak animations. You can choose the ones you like and download them. Once you've downloaded the video, import it into Premiere Pro along with the video you're working on. After importing, drag and drop the light leak overlay onto your timeline. Place it exactly where you want the effect to occur. Trim the video at the start and end to fit the transition point. Next, change the blending mode of the light leak clip from normal to screen, and you'll notice that all the black areas in the video disappear. If you feel that the light streak effect is too slow, simply press or on your keyboard to enable the rate stretch tool and squeeze the video inward to speed it up. This will make the effect quicker. You can also tweak the opacity or any other settings to fine-tune the result and achieve the desired look. That's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Ace Designs.